Hey guys, it's Josh from Cardinal Offroad, and today I'm going to show you how I made armor for the rear of my Jeep TJ. Now I also did a rear dovetail to give myself a little bit more extra clearance during articulation. Alright, so the very first thing I want to do is remove the back part of the tub. I'm going to draw a straight line down here, cut that, cut the inner fender all the way through, cut the back side off, and then this whole section will pull right off. Alright, so I went ahead and cut the inner fender back. Now that I have this top piece in, I have an idea of where the fender is actually going to fall. So I went ahead and chopped that in. Now I still left a little bit, maybe an extra ½ inch or so, but this will allow me to kind of see down to the bottom piece of the fender. And then once I get it all set up and I go to put my pieces in, then I'll trim the fit. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put some seam sealer in the cracks. Obviously I didn't fully weld this, so in the gaps I'm going to put some seam sealer. And this stuff works pretty good. I've used it on all my body armor. Any of the cracks and stuff like that, it gets pretty hard, and then it'll allow no moisture to get in there. Alright, so I'm all done. Now one thing you'll notice is the paint kind of looks blotchy in some spots. I've also got some runs. It is cold out here. I just kind of hurried up and painted it. Once it gets a little warmer, I'll sand it down and paint a little bit better. Other than that, it turned out really good. One thing I didn't show me doing every single one, but I did drill out some plugs with the hole saw, and I plugged every opening of the tube on the ends so nothing can get in there. Welded it completely shut. And then I also seam sealed wherever I welded just to make it look a little bit better and keep water from getting in there. Because I didn't solid weld this to the body right here. I just did about 4 welds, and then I just ran seam seal down. And then I also welded, I tied it into the cage right there, and I also tied it into the cage right here. And then I welded in the back here where the tailgate latches to the body. And when this thing flexes at full flex, the tire will actually be about to the bottom of that top bar there. So the Jeep's actually sitting a little high right now at ride height. I don't have my coilovers in there, and that's why it's sitting on jack stands. Let me know what you guys think, if you like this look or not. If you do, make sure you hit that thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe.